Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and this is the holiday workshop. Just wanted to give you a little heads up that I am in the process of changing the name of my channel and it will all be revealed on June the 1st. Anywho, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this haunted house from perler beads for my son's room. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and also give my video a thumbs up if you liked it because it really helps me out a lot. And without further ado, let's get into the video. You can find a link to the template I made for this house in the description box. To start the project, I simply beaded all the pieces and then I ironed them. I like to put a heavy wooden cutting board on top of them while they cool down so they don't bend that much. As you will see later on in the video, I ran out of the colors for the base and for the back wall. I made the edges in the right color and then the parts that wouldn't show that much in a similar color. Once all the pieces were finished, I started to assemble the house. Some of the pieces are made sort of like a 3D puzzle and they hold very well together on their own, but I decided to add hot glue on the inside for extra hold. I made a mistake while making one of the walls, so I had to improvise a little bit to make it fit. I will also add a row of beads to this later on. I am pretty sure all these pieces could have been designed to work as a puzzle like the walls, but this is the first time I've made something 3D from perler beads, so I'm using hot glue for everything. Here I'm trying to figure out how I had planned for the fence to go. I decided to change it and only add fence to the front of the house. I added some fairy lights inside to make the house light up. Then the last thing I did was to paint some glow-in-the-dark paint on the ghosts. I wanted them to be white in the daytime but have a glow-in-the-dark effect like the windows. The glass part in the windows are made out of glow-in-the-dark beads. Unfortunately, this effect wouldn't show up on my camera, so I couldn't show you, but it does glow in the dark a little bit. Please don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. And if you liked my video and have watched this far, please leave a ghost emoji in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.